Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the CommuneAI token. Now this token recently got listed on a very big central exchange. Ticker symbol is COMAI, COMAI. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find the wrapped version, the wrapped CommuneAI token on Etherscan on the it's an ERC20 token on the Ethereum network, and the ticker symbol for that one would be WCOMAI, and they have 2,980 holders, 18 decimal places, and a max total supply of 4,997,351 tokens. And this token just got listed recently on a very big central exchange called CoinEX Global. So if you're looking to buy the ComAI token and you don't have a CoinEX Global account, I do have a CoinEX Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that CoinEX Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search ComAI, and then simply just buy the token, COMAI. Decentralized, permissionless, composable, collaborative, incentivized, adaptable, open source. That in the corner right there is their Twitter in the corner of the screen at CommuneAI.org. Blue verified checkmark, 304 tweets. And they have a link to their Discord there if you want to join their Discord group. Now their webpage is CommuneAI.org. Real easy to find that. And they have a Twitter that you can find, a Discord, and a full white paper is available on their webpage as well. It's a very lengthy, it's only 6 pages, but it's very tiny print, a lot of wording on there. And you can also find a document section on their webpage as well, which is going to take you over to a whole different page. So modules, docs, white paper, getting started button, community section, all sorts of stuff. CommuneAI is renovating the way we build software for creators, designers, and everyone. Welcome to the Commune, a place for everyone to develop, design, and create. So networking and wrapping over everything. Our current economic landscape is characterized by fragmentation with various sectors and industries operating independently. Developers face challenges in integrating and working across different tools, leading to inefficiencies and time wastage. Lack of interoperability limits innovation and collaboration within the development community. Commune is a revolutionary protocol that connects developer tools, fostering collaboration, interoperability, and innovation within the development community. Designed to break down barriers and unlock the potential of shared resources, Commune revolutionizes the way developers work and collaborate. So they have the modular architecture, reusability. So Commune supports a modular architecture that encourages code reuse. Developers can create self-contained modules that can be easily integrated into multiple projects, enhancing scalability and maintainability. There's modular sharing, so Commune facilitates easy sharing and discovery of reusable modules among developers. Developers can contribute their own modules and benefit from the shared pool of resources, saving time and effort, and enhanced efficiency. Reusing code and components from the Commune ecosystem reduces development time and effort. Developers can build upon tested and reliable solutions, ensuring consistent quality and accelerating their project timelines. There's also scalability, so horizontal scaling. Commune supports horizontal scaling, enabling the addition of more resources to handle increased demand. Also, developers can easily scale up by adding or using more instances or nodes to the Commune network. It's cloud agnostic, so Commune seamlessly integrates with popular cloud platforms and services. Developers can leverage the scalability and elasticity of cloud resources to accommodate varying workloads. Also, namespaces. There's modular namespaces. We do not want to work with IP and ports as it can be confusing. We want to map the name of the module with the endpoint that the server is on. Their tokenomics, they have staked voting. So the modules will vote on each block at regular intervals. Tokens are allocated per vote every 6 seconds. The module's vote weight is determined by the amount staked on it. They also have rewarding honest voters. So voters are incentivized to be honest by receiving part of the reward. Half of the incentive that goes to the voted model gets distributed back to the voters based on their vote staked weight. This ensures honest voting to remove bias. And application validators. So application validators validate modules that best performs that application. Each validator has its own objective and is responsible for calculating on appropriate rewards that it can vote based on. Validators will need to stake to vote, and the higher staked validators will have more rewards for hosting platforms. Modules are rewarded based on their performance with the validator. Now, at the bottom of their webpage, they have installation, if you want to check that out. Their GitHub, Discord, Twitter, white paper, introduction. Now, if you skip over to their document section, you're going to find all their information, but it's going to be in concise sections. So how to set up Commune, create Commune, deploy modules, register namespace, connect the module, key basics, model OpenAI, translate your site, data, text, all that type of stuff. So you can check it all out on their document section in depth if you want to learn more in their white paper. And you can find this token newly listed on COINEX Global. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that COINEX Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.